The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Ke Joint Committee bela thau lembaga National Green Tribunal haka arflai terik rumpang arjar penriu kala herban Jurip ikwa Myntdu hadin ke Mudui ba Khroo lamsalan ki perian baga ni gawa kesyakta na jingshina ik surok thmai jawai bypass kata na tri yong riang syakli terci nalaru ba Khroo kum nong Mudui nagaliang ke committee lawan ba mikmat du SC Sadhu IAS Secretary Keterat Forest and Environment wa Abhay Kumar CWES General Manager Brahmaputra Board uba CE Walang SEWR HPD Water Resource Department kong Amabilis Phah SEPWD Roads Jawai Circle uba Sandrus Im Senior Environmental Engineer Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board uba Manu Bedki Pasa Executive Engineer Jawai Municipal Board, but Dr. Chiat Sherman, MFS, Member Secretary, Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, yang belatung komu Nodal Officer Kanika Committee. Kacing Jurip kelas sedang nakli tersi tertarik surak Jawai bypass, syadu tre yang riang. Haka bagilah Jurip ikawa Myntdu, kecaka berat kendau nak kacing pentrai kanika surak, kemudian hadam tring, bakhadu galece orkla, ban Jurip ikadam mupia. Kemudian nak bentak kawa Myntdu, betan umbam umdi keterat PHE, syakinom somsnong ke Jawai.
What is the provision? This side basically what you are doing, going to do. Shotcrete or something you are doing, or you are just exposing it? Stabilize this. Okay. This is hard, but many parts have been very loose kind of thing. They have made the study. Even you propose a study, I will fund the study. 10-15 lakhs.
Kini am ga gajing ito ko sumo to case ko file do ma Khroo lamsalan ki pariat ito ko gawa Myntdu. Kini to ko il ni original application 1271/24 ko order dated to sotarik manawar ar Khroo. Tahaka para ko khadwi yang ni order the direct NGT or form a joint committee go inspect. Haga joint committee the am representative the Department of Health Affairs, napa Pollution Board, napa Ministry Jal Shakti, napa PWD, napa PHE, Municipal Board. Kamta. The direct lai wo to hipor wa la inspection ni yo khut lang yo petitioner. Wa manu ma pariat. Tadi am lang unni. The khut lang ya representative yang gi construction company ki wakra yo tu surok. Tenewaro ada amlangi kat kam ke direction ng NGT to the line inspect ikam yu ipini na do nan bypass thamia hadu hindi pun kod di ne takata ka jengmut iwa ka next hearing wo am ga khatbi tarik yangu banawa wan banai mas te kini committee ke duty yang ka to u pet ke gi ka ma deble wo pungpo yu contractor ba menswada am ga case wo to igani ko R1 ke gi dawle ki por ke dawan te yi pollution board de thung ikam nodal department tengah mana kamu member secretary pollution dan mana nodal officer atau oversee kini compliance. Tidak file report ang ihachwa wa po kata date of hearing. Tikon hito kikam gitu oleh wa pungko tidau I suggestion I lene kejimut NGT ke committee yang I.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kam lo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.